Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we will understand how to create 3D globe map in Power BI. For this, we will go on the canvas of Power BI, click on Get More Visuals. Click here on Maps. Click on this globe map, Microsoft Corporation. Press Add, and you will get this app in the visualization interface. It's here. Click on it. Now you have to specify the location. So for this, select the state. The next thing which we want is the bar height. So pick up the sales, and in heat intensity, we will pick up the profit. Now activate the focus mode. So you can see here the bars, they talk about the sales, and the color intensity talks about the profit. Just scroll it. And it will display the information. This is for California, the sum of sales and sum of profit. You can zoom also. So this is how you can create 3D globe map in Power BI. For more such videos on Power BI, you can refer my playlist in which I have uploaded many videos on Power BI. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like and share the videos on Power BI. You can also join me on LinkedIn and Twitter, link given in the description box.